This is the Peony paper pack from Crafter's Companion. Now you get an idea of what these papers look like, but let me show you each of them individually. They are all 12 by 12 and they come in this padded pad, and they are double-sided. So let me show you. Now you're going to get 12 papers. You're going to get actually 3 of each. So let me walk you through this. Here's the first one. You can see the borders on each side. The back side is a dot that's kind of distressed. Here's the second, and the back is a pink dot. There you go, you can see that. This one with corner treatments, and we'll back up just a smidge so that you can see, there you go. And on the back, another green dot, and this is all over floral bouquets with some words on the back. And then we have these stripes of borders and with stripes on the back, all over pattern with a smaller words on the back of it. Look at this, just, I think they're beautiful papers. And I do want to tell you, we ordered extra so that we wouldn't run out. That's really our plan. Very, very pretty. You can see there's some diamonds, but then there's also this scroll work and the corner treatments, and with a stripe on the back. You can see this on the other sides with pink on the background and pink on the back all over. And you see some dots, and very pretty with the painted flowers with some line art in between them. There's some diamonds there. Okay, that's all 12. Now, as I said, you're going to get 3 of each one. Then in the back, there is a bonus. There are these labels and tags, and they are die cut for you. These are printed on a glossy paper, and just beautiful. Really nice that they're already cut out for you. Now you're going to get this sheet. You're also going to get a second one of this, and then another, and yet another. So the dies are the same, I think. The words do change, so well, maybe they don't. Maybe it's just 4 of each. Yeah, I think you're right. I think there's 4 of each. Just really, really pretty, very useful words. Happy birthday, have a wonderful day. Just a note, thank you, congratulations, you mean the world to me. Just really pretty. So there are 24 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and there are 100 of those die cuts that are already die cut out for you, all in the Peony paper pack.